So there's a bintang guy. Yasmin. Boom, guys. Nice little seating. Here's your entrance. We have a beautiful array of homewares. Wow, guys, look at that. Oh la la. Okay, guys, so the next one we have is a place. And you can also rent this. These big ones here, she's told me are $22. Just a collection of shops, 3 together. See, it's a ladies' boutique clothing. Andy Reason, made with love. Car parked on the pavement. Oh la la, very nice. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here on Jalan Raya Seminyak, stood outside the famous Bintang supermarket. However, we're not going to go in the Bintang supermarket because I've already covered that in another vlog. Today we're going to walk along Jalan Raya Seminyak to Jalan Camplung Tanduk, which is the next street, main street, basically along Jalan Raya Seminyak. So I'm going to cover all of this area, zigzagging across the road. I don't think there's so much in the way of hotels going to be in this section. However, I'll show you the shops, the restaurants, the coffee shops, etc. There's going to be tattoo shops, massage, silver jewelry shops, all along this section of road. So let's go and have a walk, guys. Okay, so there's a bintang, guys, and we're going to walk in this direction. Across the road from the big bintang is a place called Kukos, I think that's how you pronounce it. Coconut shake and coffee. So we've just been given permission to take a look inside, guys. Gave the price here, guys. Just next door to Kukos you have Spa Yasmin. We have a winery here. Wine shop. Nice little jewelry shop here. This is Blink. 2 together. A barber shop here, guys. Nice little seating in here. Seating just by the road. This is the bar area. Also have a little section in the back here in the garden. To Bloom, you have another little jewelry shop. You have a ladies' clothing shop across the road called Karma Coma. Here you have a place called Una Escala at Bali. There's a beautiful array of homewares in here. Okay guys, Une, Escala, Bali have given us permission to walk in and just give you a little glimpse of what they sell. It's really nice stuff in here. So here's your entrance. They have a beautiful array of homewares. Really nice products in here, guys. Very authentic, very unique. Just has a great collection of everything, all handcraft goods. Very boutique style, very beautiful. Look at that. Oh la la. Some really beautiful, unique items in here. Okay guys, so the next one we have is a place called Bali. So you can see you've got a good collection of bikes available to you. So these big ones here, she's told me are $22, including insurance. And then these are the standard bikes here, which are $9 a day. That's without insurance. And you can also rent this one, guys. This one is 21 US dollars without insurance and $26 with insurance. So Bike a Go, guys, the prices there for the daily rental of the bike, they are a little bit higher. However, from looking at the bikes, they are new bikes, which you've got to put in your mind that you're paying that much extra for. It looks like a professional company as well. They're offering insurance, which is also a good protection for yourselves. The prices are higher, as I say. However, the bikes and the reliability I think you're going to get from those bikes is pretty safe. So for me, I'd prefer to pay a little bit extra and get reliability from a bike. Just a collection of shops, 3 together or 4 together. This one's got training shoes. We have another one here selling shirts. Hello my friends. We have a filthy gorgeous jewellery shop. We have Nadia Art. A range of handicraft goods. A place called By the Sea. Some nice clothing. A place called Pina Colada, guys, which is a ladies' clothing shop. A nice little coffee shop stroke boutique called Di Awani here, guys. Next place we have, guys, a place called Versus, which is a place that's selling handbags. It's got a great collection of handbags inside. Next door to Versus we have Bali I Love Tees, which is a Bali t-shirt shop. And then you have a ladies' clothes shop also, sale 100 to 150k. We have another clothes shop called The Closet. That looks like ladies and men's boutique shop. And then Geo Vita, which is a men's and ladies swimwear shop. And you have a little place here for snacks and coffee called Ketchup Kitchen. boho mabella. Ladies boutique shop here called Four Flowers Linen. The place is called Equatorial Design, guys. As you can see, it's a ladies boutique clothing shop. It's a nice collection of clothes inside. A couple more boutique ladies shops here. Wallace. And then Goxua, which is also ladies clothing. I have a Yusuf Silver jewellery shop and a Circle K. Car parked on the pavement. Ooh la la, very nice. Asia Silver, another jewellery shop. A money changer here. The next place is a base called Bali Seminyak. Open windows so you can see and look out onto the street. Called Bali Seminyak. It's a little coffee shop, beautiful little shop, and we'll go and take a look inside. There's the seating inside the restaurant, guys, soft cushion seating, beautiful decorated wall, and then there you are. Couple of ladies shops here. Andy Reason, Made with Love, ladies boutique shop, and then Sea and Sun next door, ladies and men's clothing. And then here we are, and just as we finished, guys, we're at Jalan Camplung Tanduk. Guys, so just as we've finished our walk, it's decided to rain here. It's raining quite a bit now. I'm starting to get wet, so I've got to where I wanted to show you this little section of street in this video. As you've seen, we've had a great collection of little boutique type shops, particularly if you're a lady. This has got a great array of ladies clothing. There's also men's clothing as well, and lady and men's clothing shops combinations, but mostly ladies clothing. Great collection of jewelry shops in this little section of this street also. You've got a few little coffee shops and eating places along the way as well. So all in all, a great little section of street for you to come and visit. Hope the video's been of some use to you. Hope there's some places of interest in this video to you. And I shall say bye for now.